In this video, you'll learn how to purchase BNB on Binance. This process includes funding your account, navigating to the trading section, and placing a buy order for BNB. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully acquired BNB cryptocurrency. Begin by ensuring that your Binance account is set up and accessible. If you have not logged in yet, navigate to the Binance website and enter your credentials. If prompted, complete any necessary security checks to access your account. Once logged in, locate the wallet option on the homepage, typically found in the top menu. Click on Wallet and select Fiat and Spot from the drop-down menu. After accessing your wallet, you will see your available balances. To purchase BNB, you first need to fund your account. If you wish to deposit fiat currency, click on the deposit button, choose your preferred fiat currency, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the deposit. Alternatively, if you want to deposit cryptocurrency, select the desired crypto from the list and copy the deposit address or scan the QR code to transfer funds. Ensure that you check the transaction fees and estimated processing times. Once your account is funded, navigate back to the home page and locate the trade option in the top menu. Hover over it and select Spot from the drop-down. This action will direct you to the spot trading interface. In the trading section, find the search bar, typically located on the left side of the screen. Type in the trading pair you wish to use, such as BND/US, rolls, this tier, and select it from the search results. This will bring up the trading chart and order section for BNB. Next, you will place your buy order. In the order section, you will see different types of orders available. Ensure you're on the buy tab, enter the amount of BNB you wish to purchase. You can also adjust the order type to a market or limit order based on your preference. After entering the amount, review the details and click the Buy BNB button to confirm your order. A confirmation message should appear indicating that your order has been successfully placed. After completing your purchase, you can verify your BNB balance by navigating back to your wallet and selecting Fiat and Spot again. Here you will find your updated BNB balance reflecting your recent transaction. Keep in mind that network congestion and transaction volumes can affect the speed at which your order is filled, so be patient if you do not see your balance update immediately. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.